If you ever get in a situation where PAAK, phone as a key, doesn't work, but you got into the car with your door code and then you got in and then still it doesn't show you the code to enter on the main screen, then I have a solution for that. Someone posted on Facebook that they reached out to Ford and Ford told them to first press the foot pedal for 15 seconds. Once you press the foot pedal for 15 seconds, you let it go, wait another 15 seconds, and then you press slowly the start button and the foot pedal at the same time. And the passcode screen should come up. Now I should be able to enter my passcode. Don't show it to anybody. Hit enter. And I should be able to start the car. This is how you can get to the passcode screen if the car won't allow you to enter the passcode screen and phone as a key is not working. And of course you forgot the fob. If this video helps, please like it. Don't forget subscribe to my channel and check out all the other videos I did about the Mach E and about everything else. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.